no, no, no. Oh no. Have you packed? We're leaving for Holland! It's Vlogging Monday, my friends! Bonjour dear high-tech fans and welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, enchantée, my name is Celine, I'm a TV journalist and a fan of new technologies. If you enjoy watching reviews, tutorials and sometimes, like today, vlogs, you should consider subscribing. I'm visiting a good friend of mine who lives here in Monnikendam, 2 hours away from Belgium. Monnikendam is a town in North Holland. Its history goes back to the Middle Ages when the small village was buzzing with fishing and shipping. Look at the ships while we're here along the harbor and you will see century-old fishing trawlers, well-preserved monuments and ancient architecture. I don't know if the number is still accurate today, but I have read that Monnikendam has about 10,000 inhabitants. That's not much. The town where I live has 3 times more inhabitants. This town is not well known to foreign tourists who tend to head straight for Amsterdam. The good thing while staying here is that it's a short drive from this town to Amsterdam. Only 15 minutes. So you book a place here in Monnikendam and you get the relaxing view and quietness of a small town when you wake up in the morning. But you are a short drive away from other big cities. That's one of the great advantages of Monnikendam. Oh no, no, no. Oh no. Oh, Oh my god. Oh purée. I almost crashed my drone. Oh boy, I was scared. Staying in a big town is interesting when you don't have a car and you have time to walk around. but I'd rather drive 15 minutes to get to a busy town. I'm not really into waking up by traffics and busy streets. Okay, let's go back to our sightseeing. Oh, and by the way, we're in Amsterdam now. Did you know that Amsterdam has more canals than Venice? You don't say, but here it rains a lot, like in Belgium. Almost everyone cycles. And some residents live on boats. I'm not going to talk about coffee shops. I'm sure you all know about them. Did you know that here in Amsterdam some houses are very narrow? There's a good reason why. You see, back in the 17th century, locals were taxed on the width of their properties. It's clever because many of these properties are only narrow at the front end but are wider at the rear end, therefore only giving the appearance of being small. So it's your turn to talk. Have you been already to Holland and how did you like it? It's time to say goodbye, but before I leave, please hit the thumbs up button just down below, and if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel. Take good care of yourself and I will see you next Monday. Salut!